Hi, hello, namaste traders. Welcome to our channel Trade Counter. This video is about 1 minute scalping strategy based on Fibonacci tool. And for this, we need 1 minute time frame chart and Fibonacci 0.5% level is very important. I am taking Friday 3rd March chart for the analysis. Friday 3rd March, what happened? First 1 minute candle closed very bullish. In this case, we will be taking from bottom of the candle to top of the candle this Fibonacci tool, and here what we look for, second reversal to happen above 0.5% level, and here the first candle closed this one above 0.5%, and we count it as first, as this first candle got broken by next candle, that is 917 candle, and towards downside this red candle formed and broken by this 917 candle. So this is towards negative side, but it was not able to close 0.5% level, so there won't be any count towards negative side in this case. And towards buy side, this is the candle, second candle, and this will act as signal candle, because once this closes our second count happens and we will enter the trade in next candle. This candle we entered, and I made a live video also to enter in this candle, and this stop loss is below this candle, and our profits will be almost here, like 45 points will be first target, 60 points will be second target, and 90 points will be our third target. Most of the time we have to take at least 50% profits in 45 points, and then we have to trail by putting at buying price. This is very important strategy for new learners. As we know, most of the trading happens in first hour, and first hour only most of the new people enter into the market. So once we master this strategy, this will help for the new learners as well as some experienced people also to make good profits in the first hour, and then wait for another strategy to happen and enter in other trades. So once we are profitable with one strategy, it will boost us our confidence. So better learn this strategy and master this by trading at least 100 trades in 100 days based on this strategy. And this whatever I told, this is towards buy side. Sell side, I'll make video based on your comments. Please comment if you want a sell side video, and like, share, subscribe for more analysis. Thank you.